Our top story today, after months of waiting, the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals finally heard arguments today about domestic partner benefits, benefits that many Arizonans are in danger of losing. Reporter Aldo Vasquez was in the Ninth U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals today where the case was heard and joins us live with details. Aldo?
That's right, Sam. I'm standing right across the street from the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals, where just a few hours ago the court heard arguments about the law that would strip benefits for domestic partners. And while our cameras weren't allowed to roll inside the courtroom, Cronkite News was there listening to the arguments.
My name is Deanna Flager, and I appreciate the opportunity to be here today to have our story told.
Deanna Flager and Mia LaBarbera weren't expecting to spend their 21st anniversary in the courtroom in San Francisco on a rainy day. But that's what they did to ensure their story was heard.
And Governor Brewer moved to eliminate the domestic partner health insurance option, thereby forcing Mia off of our family coverage. Ironically, at the same time, Mia's job with Arizona State Parks was also eliminated.
And they are not alone. Couples like Carrie Sperling and Sue Shapcott worry they may also lose their benefits.
It's not good policy, and it's, blatant discrimination.
Right now, judges at the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals are trying to decide whether or not the state can pull health coverage from same-sex partners of hundreds of state employees. The state claims it's part of a budget-cutting effort, but lawyers for the plaintiffs argue that would deny domestic partners equal compensation for equal work.
Everybody has to carry their fair share. That's what the 14th Amendment and equal protection require. It's not the greater duty of lesbians and gay men to shield other employees from the state's budgetary woes.
For now, all these couples can do is wait until the judges make their decision.
Now that both sides have had the chance to present their arguments and the court has had the chance to ask questions, it is up to the judges to make a decision, one that the plaintiff hopes comes soon. And just in case you're curious as to what all that background noise is, it's pretty loud over here. Actually, a pretty big protest has gathered right next to us in the last couple of minutes. Something having to do with federal cuts, budget cuts impacting low-income housing here in the Bay Area. And it's actually gotten a little bit confrontational, a little bit intense. Cops are on the scene. So just in case you guys were wondering what all that background noise was, let's go ahead and send it right back up to the studio. Live in San Francisco, Aldo Vasquez, Cronkite News.